Uttar Basti, the special treatment in Ayurveda. Uttar Basti, there are two words. First is Uttara and second is Basti. Uttara means route to give Basti through Uttar Marga, which is situated Uttar to Anas. Uttar Basti is superior than other types of Basti. It is administered after Niro Basti. Collectively, we can define it. Uttar Basti is to administer through Uttar Marga of Niro Basti Marga, that is through urethra or vagina. It has very good qualities and it has to administer after Niro Basti, therefore it is called Uttar Basti. Charak, Ashtanga Sangraha and Bhav Prakash, these are the references. Indication of Uttar Basti. Uttar Basti pacifies Vata. It helps to conceive, useful in infertility. It is useful in vaginal prolapse with severe pelvic pain. It is useful in all uniopathic disorders. Menorrhagia, metrorrhagia, amenorrhea, dysmenorrhea, all menstrual disorders. History of habitual abortion, history of fetal loss. Time for performing Uttar Basti. Uttar Basti through vaginal route should be given during Rutukala. Because during this period, uterus and vagina are free from coverings and orifices are open, therefore, it receives medicine easily. Rutu Chakra, menstrual cycle, correlate with modern science. Rutu Chakra has three stages: Rajak Kala, Rutu Kala, and Rutu Vyatita Kala. Rajak Kala can be correlated with menstrual phase, Rutu Kala with proliferative phase, and Rutu Vyatita Kala with secretory phase. During Rutu Kala, yoni is the apavritta, means open, means size of either introitus or os of the cervix does not increase. Open refers to functional aspect and not anatomical. After Rutukala, yoni is avavritta. Cervical mucus becomes sticky and thick, therefore, Uttar Basti should be avoided. After 2 or 3 Asthapan Basti, Uttar Basti is given for 3 to 5 consecutive days for at least 3 consecutive cycles. According to Charakacharya, Uttar Basti has to be given 2 or 3 times a day for 3 consecutive days. After a gap of 3 days, it should be repeated in the same manner but with increased amount of medicine. According to Sushrutacharya, Uttar Basti can be continued for 4 days. Use of Uttar Basti is not restricted to Rutukala only. If patient's condition demand, it can apply at any time after preparation. This reference is from Ashtanga Sangraha and Ashtanga Hridaya. Now, dose of medicines. There are two types of medicine are used for Uttar Basti. One is oil based and second is water based. Oil based medicine dose is 1 prasruta or prastha, that is approximately 12 ml, to pacify dosha in the uterus. If strength of disease and patient is less than quantity should be half or less to be decided by the physician. To remove dosha, that is shodhana karma, from the uterus, oil based medicine should be double, that is 24 ml. If decoction is used to remove dosha from the uterus, the quantity should be 2 prastha, approximately 24 ml. According to Vagbhata, dose is 1 prakuncha. Uttar Basti dose, medicine dose is 1 prakuncha, that is 48 ml approximately, and he advised to increase gradually. Means 12 ml to 48 ml medicine is used for Uttar Basti. Method of administration of Uttar Basti. The woman should be placed in supine position with thighs flexed and elevated knees. The cannula should be inserted in the vaginal passage slowly with steady and following the direction of the passage. Reference is from Charak Samhita, Sushruta Samhita, Ashtanga Sangraha and Ashtanga Hridaya. Complications of Uttar Basti. These complications are stated by Acharya Sushruta. Burning in vagina and bladder is the complication of Uttar Basti. means trauma to the urethra, trauma to the bladder, trauma to vagina, trauma to cervix and tissue around it, trauma to uterus and organs around it. Pratyagaman kala. Uttarabasti Pratyagaman kala means time for expulsion of medicine after insertion of medicine. According to Acharya Gradas and Dridabala, it is 100 matra, that is approximately 90 seconds. Uttar Basti medicine comes out in 90 seconds. Contraindications of Uttar Basti. The Uttar Basti is not given through vaginal passage of Bala, that is age below 16 years. Practical approach to Uttar Basti in female genital system. Instruments for procedure of Uttar Basti. Enema pot to give enema. Simple rubber catheter for Niroho Basti and Anuvasan Basti. 100 ml syringe for Anuvasan Basti. Sims or Cusco speculum and curved vaginal cannula for Uttar Basti through vagina. Sponge holding forceps. Interior vaginal water retractor. Cotton pad, tampons, yoni pichu, sterile medicated oil or ghee, disposable 10 ml syringe for Uttar Basti and preparation for Niroha and Anuvasan. These are pot used for it. This is curved vaginal cannula for Uttar Basti. Yoni pichu, sponge holding forceps, sim speculum, Cusco speculum, interior vaginal water retractor, Niroha Basti, left lateral position for Niroha Basti and Anuvasan Basti. And for Uttar Basti, this is lithotomy position. Now, first visualization of the cervix. Practically, we do Uttar Basti in three following ways. Uttar Basti medicine up to the level of cervix, that is into the vagina only, 48 ml. Second type, small quantity of medicine 3 ml to 5 ml into the uterine cavity and remaining in vagina, that is 48 ml total. Third way to insert Uttar Basti medicine. Medicine insert through the vagina, cervix, 9 to 10 ml which will pass through cervix, uterus, fallopian tubes and spill in the pelvic cavity and remaining in the vagina, 48 ml total. Uttar Basti should administer in such a way where there is demand of the condition of the disease. Thank you.